I stuck off your really.
I'll leave him out.
Sit down. Just sit down. And put him on your lap, because Ken wants to see you doing that. Just put him down there on your lap. Okay, let me... Look, Ken's getting very upset, isn't she?
Oh, she's just been ringing. She's okay.
There you go, Ken. We're here. Are you able to get that and like that? Out you go, out. No, Lisa, you're okay. Come on, Lisa, you come in.
She's hiding it.
Is she?
Can I hold another one? This little baby. He doesn't really brown eyes now.
What should we call him, Emma?
We should call him Brendan.
Brendan.
For him.
Brendan dog.
Just so we call him Brendan.
He's crying for his mummy, Emma. The mummy's nearly crying for the doggy. Yeah.
Good girl.
Now I'll pick another one.
Just one more so. We'll pick this brown guy here. He's asleep.
Oh, is he asleep? Oh, lad.
His eyes are closed. He's fast asleep.
He's wriggling.
He wants to go to his mommy.
Can't see anywhere.
No.
Are
Can't
they
see you.
babies, Lisa? Oh, look.
Can't see what I'm at.
You going to give him a kiss, Lisa?
Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. That's it.
Hello, Charlie.
He's all cold.
Maybe he'll get better when he's bigger.
Oh, he will be better when he's bigger. He'll be up and running around.
Hey, Mummy, he'll be better when he's bigger. Hello, buddy. Hey, Dad, he's better when he's bigger. It's about to go away. Dad,
Emma, let's go and look at him.
go away. Look at Doggy Dog. Can I go and see Puppy? Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Hi, Doggy. Hi, Doggy. Hi, Doggy. Run! Run! Run!
You are the most bloody annoying bloody child. Come out of there, you stupid pig. Go on up there and see the puppy. Look at such a baba. What? What's wrong with... Oh, yeah. Do you see them all in here, Emma? Look at baby lambs down there in the corner. Look, Emma. Look, and this little lamb has red paint on. Do you see her? Look at her. Look at woolly lamb, Emma. Ah, Emma, look at the woolly lamb here beside you. With the red paint. That's not blood. That's only red paint. Frank put it on. Go down the middle. Emma, he's a sick lamb, so don't shake that. He's all sad.
Hello. Mass when I shake masses.
Lisa, is he sick?
Get away, buddy! Get away! Go away! Get away! Get away, Bo!
Lisa, is the little lamb all sick, pet?
Bodie!
Is he all sick?
Go away, buddy!
Don't shake that. Stop, Emma. He's sick. That's not nice. He's a sick little lamb. Don't do that to him, please. That poor little fellow has a sore tummy. Look at Emma Porter being horrible and ugly and cheeky.
Yeah.
I've got that in the video forevermore, and I'm going to show your daddy you stuck out your tongue at Mummy. Oh.
No!
Yeah, get your hand off the wire. It's dangerous. Don't touch that wire. Good girl. Don't touch that wire. That's electricity, pet.
Hello? I'm Doctor,
Lisa, is he sick? Lisa? Is he all sick, Lisa? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, goodness. Oh, no.
Oh, really?
Is he all sick? Oh, dear.
What? 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 What?
Is he all sick?
What?
The little lamb?
What?
Is the little lamb all asleep, Lisa? Is he dead now, Emma? Did you kill him, Emma?
No. I'm just putting paper on top of him so he won't die.
Making him cozy and warm. That's enough now.
I hope he won't get sick when he's big.
Lisa, do you want to go see the other lambs, darling? You're a beaut, Lisa. Have you got a sore knee?
Yeah.
Show me your sore knee. Let's look at your sore knee. Show me your sore knee. Is it better? Good girl. Bye.
I do, if I you. Yes, I do, if you'd only just stand right for me. I can't take you that way though, can I? There, go over at me. Hello. Emma. I took a picture of you.
Hey, Emma, you got to feed the donkey for me.
There's only one left.
Go up to the donkey in the video. Go on. Hello, Lisa. I'm going to go over and give him a big rub. Emma, rub the donkey for me. Go on, pet.
it. You don't want to touch it.
Emma, there's doggy poo in the stones and everything. We just stuff it.
Dog poo.
Yeah, indeed there is.
Okay, yeah. Emma, if you throw the stones at the donkey one more time, I'll smack you and that's that.
Yeah.
Emmy, Lisa, going to give the donkey a big kiss? Go up and give him a rub. Go on. Could you give the donkey a lick of rub? Do a dance. Go on.
Can I see him now?
Here. Make the little hole with Mummy's nail. Remember? Turn around now and show Daddy. Go show Daddy how you do it. Take this over to him and show him to the camera. Show it to the camera.
Just stand. What do you do?
Go on, talk. You can hear yourself when it's done then.
Say, what do you want to say to Grandma? What do you want to say to Grandma?
Don't know. I don't.
What do you want to say thank you about?